I am Varun Kumar, and now we are going to discuss Internet Security of Class 10. Computer ethics. Computer ethics are a set of moral standards that govern the use of computers. It is a society's view about the use of computers, both hardware and software. Privacy concern, intellectual property rights, and effect on the society are some of the common issues of the computer ethics. Plagiarism. Plagiarism is the representation of another author's language, thoughts, idea, or expression as one's own original work. Plagiarism is considered academic dishonesty and a breach of journalist ethics. Intellectual property rights. Intellectual property is a category of property that includes intangible creations of human intellect. There are many types of intellectual property and some countries recognize more than others. The most well-known types are copyrights, patents, trademarks, and trade sectors. Copyright. Copyright is a type of intellectual property that gives its owner the exclusive right to make copies of a creative work, usually for a limited time. Software piracy is defined as a illegal copying software that does not belongs to you in a manner that violates the copyright. Hacking is a process of gaining unauthorized access into a computer system or group of computer system. Phishing. Phishing is a cybercrime in which a target or targets are contacted by email, telephone, or text message by someone posing as a legitimate institution to lure individual into providing sensitive data such as personally identifiable information, banking and credit card details, and password. Spamming is the use of messaging system to send an unsolicited message to large number of recipients for the purpose of commercial advertising, for the purpose of non-commercial proselytizing, or for any prohibited purpose. Safety measure while using computer and internet. Keep personal information professional and limited. Potential employers or customer does not need to know your personal relationship status or your home address. They do not need to know about your expertise or professional background and how to get in touch with you. Keep your privacy setting on. Marketers love to know all about you and so do hackers. Both can learn a lot from your browsing and social media usage, but you can take charge of your information. As a noted life hacker, both web browser and mobile operating system have settings available to protect your privacy online. Practice safe browsing. You would not choose to walk through a dangerous neighborhood, doesn't visit dangerous neighborhood online. Cybercriminals use lewd content as bait. They know people are sometimes tempted by dubious content and may let their guard down when searching for it. 4. Make sure your internet connection is secure. Use a secure VPN connection. To further improve your internet browsing safety, use secure VPN connection, virtually private network. VPN enable you to have a secure connection between your device and an internet server that no one can monitor or access the data that you are changing. Be careful what you download. A top goal of cybercriminal is to trick you into downloading malware programs or apps that carry malware or try to steal information. This malware can be distinguished as an app anything from a popular game to something that check traffic or the weather. As PC World advice, don't download apps that look suspicious or come from a site you don't trust. 6. Choose your strong password. Passwords are one of the biggest weak spot in the whole internet security structure, but there is currently no way around them. Select strong passwords that are harder for cybercriminal to demystify. Make online purchase from secure sites. Anytime you make a purchase online, you need to provide credit card or bank account information. Just what cyber criminals are most eager to get their hands on. Only supply this information to sites that provide secure encrypted connection. Be careful what you post. The internet does not have a delete key, as that young candidate in New Hampshire found out. Any comment or image you post online may stay online forever because removing the original, say from Twitter, does not remove any copies that other people made. Be careful who you meet online. People you meet online are not always who they claim to be. Indeed, they may not even be real. As InfoWorld reports, fake social media profiles are a popular way for hackers to cozy up to unaware web user and pick their cyber protect pockets. Be as cautious and sensible in your online social life as you are in your in-person social life. Keep your antivirus program up to date. Internet security software cannot protect against every threat, but it will detect and remove most malware. Although you should make sure it is up to date. Be sure to stay current with your operating system updates and update to application you use.